All right, friends, chilling today. We're about to go hit up a little community garage sale. I've already got some things in the basket. It's been a great day already. I'm really excited, but there's a little 5-banger around this little block, so we're going to get out, jump out, check out, see what we can find at these yard sales to go flip for a profit on eBay, Facebook, and Poshmark. So hopefully we'll find some good stuff. I'm really want to fill the store, you guys. I also have a brick and mortar. More to come. Morning.
Let me know if you have any questions.
How much for the nutcracker?
Great question. Let me ask my wife.
You put it up, I'll come look at it.
15 for the cracker. Why not? You have a 5-spot?
I do.
All right.
$5.
Cool. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Wife will be pleased.
Yeah.
Did you guys put it up last year or anything?
Yep, we did.
All right. Cool. My headache now.
Yeah. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Oh, see if you have anything else over here.
How much your Harry Potter? $10.
All right, guys, we swooped this for $2 and our big nutcracker. Good morning.
How much was the turquoise pot?
I know. I saw it. I didn't ask.
Can you go find out?
All right. I don't know. Do we have room for it, Pooch?
There's room.
There's room. Is there
There's
room?
always room.
Is there? I got a question. How much is the little turquoise pot in the front there? She was going to say yes, no matter what. 5-spot.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go into a happy home. You have a good one. All right. Super quartz bagging from the car. All right. Pooch man. Smells like a reseller. Morning.
Hello, sir. All this stuff is free over here. And these are the only things that have prices.
Gotcha.
I think he said 60.
60.
It's his best price each.
How much did you say, though?
He said wholesale for him was around 60.
Hi guys, reseller over there. He's like, I'll list it on eBay. If it sells, I'll come get it. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know. Nothing there for me. Even though it was free, still nothing. Let's go check out some other spots. Guys, $10 only for that thing. Holy cannoli. Don't have a use for it.
Everything in that bucket is 25 cents.
25 cents in the bucket. All right. Oh, 25 cents a hat. I can't pass on that, friends. Let's see what else they got in here. We're in the 25-cent bin. I usually don't even like hanging out in the 25-cent bin whatsoever. Oh, it's a little dusty there, friends. But let's check it out. It's a Nike all conditions gear. Storm fit. Let's see here. Oh yeah. It's nice. See if there's anything else in here for a quarter, friends. North Face for a quarter? Sure. Cool. All right, back some 25-cent clothes, but one of them's a pretty good Nike all-conditioned gear jacket. Well, you know, Sonny and myself we have the reseller cartel brick and mortar store going inside a store. There's a good little cabinet over there.
I saw.
I know, you pointed it out.
I found it.
You did, so
While driving by.
I'm gonna go investigate it. We really don't have the space. That's the problem. We brought the
No.
pooch, the other thing.
And it's so full back there. I even mentioned before we left, Doreen is back there.
Doreen is back there. Supercore does not like when Doreen's riding in the backy back. So yeah, let's go check out this thing, see if we can score it or if it's even worth it. Best offer, you guys. It's gonna need a paint job is the problem. Like he was like, I'm gonna paint this, I'm gonna paint that, you guys, and now I'm like, I don't want to paint nothing. Man. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Good morning.
I got some random, some blankets, basketball. We're playing basketball. Alright, these things any good, friends? Doesn't look like it. Some Dunloppers. See what else we got, friends. Some glassware. Ooh, butter me up. Talking my language. Let's see, is this going to be the threshold? Made in China, never heard of it. Oh, this tree's kind of cool. The picture tree, things remembered. Fun stuff. Let's see if we can find something for Mikey. Zooming from home? I don't know what that means, guys. No zoom here. Oh, feather Christmas ornaments? What kind of feathers are those? Oh, man. Should I be Google searching that? It's like a glass bulb with a feather in there. Oh, is that free or not free? Let's see what else we got out here, friends. Oh, boy. What's this thing, huh? Cheapy. Cool little elephant. Perfume bottle. Is any of this random stuff good in here? I passed up a bunch of jewelry the other day, guys. A box full for $10. Very foolish. Ooh, the wooden bottle caddy. That's kind of nice, actually. What else do we got out here? Oh, this is probably going to be cheap or good. I don't know. Sometimes I just don't know, friends. That's why I bring you along. Super Court. Oh, is that a loon? That's a loon, right? Finally hit a loon. Morning.
Morning.
Ooh, some serious stainage right there. How much for the jacket?
That one, I'll take 3.
It's the right price, I think. It's got some stains that maybe will come out, maybe they won't.
They probably won't. That thing's old as you saw the year on it.
Yeah, it's cool. They got the collector mugs. Look at this thing's 1973 Speedy Gonzalez. Super cool. They got Yosemite Sam. They got that chicken dude. Pataguina Pig, guys. Never even heard of Pataguina Pig. Sylvester. A little bit of everybody. Alright, guys. This thing's definitely dirty for $3, but you should see the comps on it. So, if it's dirty, you just got to sell it for less money. But look at this. Super cool. 1996. I saw some comps. They weren't the sold comps, so we'll check those out. But look at that. Pretty fat. Bag it. Which one? You ready? You ready to go to the park? Yeah, let's go, pal.
Hawaiian shirts are $3. I was going to sell them online and it was such a hassle. I thought, I'm just going to put them out here.
see if someone wants them. Most of these are extra large, but that doesn't look like it. No, yeah, it doesn't.
It was in there. $1. I mean, unless you want to make them 50 cents.
All right, guys, we're gonna go for 2 Hawaiians here. She got the best one. Hey, you got the best one. I was like, should you want to buy? You want to sell it to me for 6 and make it interesting?
No, I really like this one. It's kind of old school.
It is old school.
But I know who you are anyway.
Oh yeah.
For my son, otherwise
It's awesome. Yes, it's the best one. Awesome. Well, good job. All right, who do I pay? All right, guys, we're bagging it. Here we go. Let's see if we can find another one. Look at how many people are out here, you guys. This place is just pandemonium. Let's see what else we can find. World War II. I know these hats can sometimes do good, friends. I don't know about the veteran hats, though. It's not me. Sunny, and we're getting hats for our new shop, so I might want to get some of these. SeaWorld hat. This thing's vintage for shiz right here. Let's see how much the hats are. Fatty right there. How much are the hats?
$1 each.
Going for the 2 hats.
Thank you. You want a bag?
Nah, I'm good. Thank you.
$2.
2 mediocre hats. 2 mediocre Hawaiian shirts that we'll probably put in the shop, though, because I think people will enjoy them.
Oh, yeah. People want to see your shirts in the shop.
Yeah, so definitely there'll be Hawaiian shirts in the shop. And, who was it out there, sweetie? There was a better Hawaiian shirt. There was a 3rd one on the rack. I was marching towards the Hawaiian shirts, and then some lady started looking at them. She's like, how much are they? $3 a pop. And I was like, oh, man. Can't grab it out of her hand or anything. She got the shirt, and then I got the 2 right after her, and then I mumbled something like myself, oh, she got the best shirt. And she's like, what'd you say? I was like, you got the best shirt. And I was like, I'll buy it off you for $6 if you want. And she was like, I know who you are and what you do. I was like, well, then you know I want that Hawaiian shirt then. You know, that's my thing.
She knows who you are.
She knows who I am. And yes, so, but she said it's for her son. Otherwise, she would have gave it to me. But she said it's a sweet shirt, $3. It was a good score. I offered 6. Maybe I should offer 10 or 20. I don't know.
Well, if it's for your son, maybe there's not a price you can offer.
There's not. It would have been fun, though. I was game, and she even knew who I was. So, I don't know. You never know who knows who you are until they say so.
Sometimes they don't say for a while.
I'd rather you guys say something and make it awkward for me and you instead of just being like, that Mikey Bags, I just saw him but didn't say nothing. All right, well, let's roll. Pooch, how you doing? Still hanging in good there? Yeah, went to the park. All right, let's go. This one?
That's cute.
Flower bags, got a little watered. Red Kate Spade. Valentine's Day Special. How much for this bag? $5 will do. I think your wife is going to go lower, but you spoke faster.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Have a good one. All right, Timbuktu, you know what to do, you guys. So I think I'm going to replace this one with my Patagonia, give it a little clean ski, and bagged it. All right, pal. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Oh, yeah. All right, you guys, the custom surf and turf, Sunny. We forgot to go to Boulder Station, so Mikey got the custom surf and turf, you guys. I don't know if it's a steak burrito with shrimp or a shrimp burrito with steak, but oh my goodness. Super heart.
Enchiladas.
Enchiladas.